Hey guys, it's Deanna. Thanks for tuning into this video. Yes, I am currently sitting on the floor. I'm trying to build this freaking 2-cube organizer thing and I can't even open this box. So this is so frustrating. But hopefully I open it up soon. But I was doing this and I was like, well, might as well just film a video, like a decorate with me video. And don't mind my hair. This is honestly how I have my hair like 90% of the time if I'm just sitting at home. And yes, I know my bun is lopsided, which is totally fine. Oh, not a big deal. By the way, if you are new to my channel, my name is Dianna and I have 2 dogs that are always very loud in the background of all my videos. So if you hear like the little nails on the wood, that is what that is. So this is the package that I'm trying to open. Jabari, can you be quiet, please? Okay, I just said be quiet. No, I'm okay. Thank you. So this is the package that I'm trying to work on, and Jabari came to help. And the only reason I'm doing it here in the kitchen is because when I built the last one, I did it upstairs in a cramped area and I didn't have enough room. So it was kind of hard to like put all the pieces together. So I'm doing it here in the kitchen because I have a lot of room in here. Also, just a disclaimer, this video might be like a little sporadic just because I'll probably take a few days to decorate everything. So I just wanted to kind of start with this and we'll see where this video goes because I honestly have no clue right now. I don't have a plan. I kind of just wanted to vlog and record me trying to decorate and do all this stuff. So yeah, don't judge me. So I just finished building it. I started like around 1 and it is currently 1:27, so it took me like about 25 minutes, 27 to be exact, which is not bad at all. And look at that, it looks so good, it matches so good, it like blends in with our floor perfectly. Okay, so I just put it right here and I do think it actually looks kind of good. It's kind of hidden back there, which is totally fine, but if you want to push it all the way against the wall, there we go. I like it. I was thinking of maybe putting it like either right here or right here, but our couch is right here, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna leave it over there for now and kind of see how that plays out. So it is obviously a new day. Obviously also I have my camera finally and my equipment, so I'm super excited. The quality probably looks a lot better compared to the last few clips. So I think it's been like maybe about a week, if not more, from that last clip that I posted. And yeah, so today I just want to do some more cleaning, decluttering, organizing, unpacking, decorating, etc. As you can tell, I still have a ton of boxes over there and just a mess everywhere. So this is the situation. I just built that yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. So I built all of that yesterday and just started putting some stuff on there, but I still have a lot more to put on, which is actually over there. And then here is my kitchen, which is a huge mess. So I'll be cleaning this as well and kind of just organizing everything. So I hope you guys do enjoy these kinds of videos, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started and start doing some cleaning and all of that fun stuff. So I'm gonna use this Method antibacterial spray from Target. It's just like an all-purpose kitchen spray thing. It smells like citrus. It's one of my favorites. I love Method. I think I said that in one of my videos already, but just letting you guys know again in case you haven't tried it, all their products are bomb. Do any of you guys have fruit flies? Like, I have been having so many fruit flies. I don't even have any fruit that's like super ripe, but they're just always here and it's so annoying and like, it just bothers me. So if you guys know any good tips to get rid of those, please let me know because they're so annoying. Alright, so I just have to do the dishes and then the kitchen is pretty much clean. So I'm gonna get started with that. Alright, so I just finished with all the dishes and I have to unpack this box now and hopefully see what's gonna go down here, what's gonna go upstairs, what I need to get rid of, if anything. I feel like not everything's gonna fit in this house just because at our last place, we actually had a ton of built-in shelves on the wall in the living room, and here we don't, which is why I had to buy that. But I still don't think I'm gonna have enough room, so we'll see how much I can fit over here, and if not, I'm gonna have to try to fit it somewhere else in this house. So let's see. It feels like Christmas because I like don't even remember what I have or what is in here. So like with everything, I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah, I do have that. I think that's everything in here. The rest is just all paper, so I'm going to throw all this paper in here and then we can get started. So I had these little glass balls inside of this lantern before, so I might try to do that same thing. So I have a few more things in here actually. Let me take these out. I think I'm gonna put these flowers inside of this little vase. See how that looks. This bookshelf looks so empty, I thought. And excuse that, those are all of our boxes that we have to throw away and recycle. So this bookshelf, I feel like, I don't know. It's missing something obviously, but I just thought that I was gonna have less room and I feel like I still have a lot of room. So of course I'm still gonna put our books probably on like 2 shelves because we do have quite a few, but then we also have a bookshelf going upstairs. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but that's how it's looking so far. I think I'm gonna have to go buy a few more things And then I also realized I have to go shopping because, as you can see, our kitchen has like an empty space up there on top of the cabinets. So I want to buy like some cute little plants or vases or something to put up there in the meantime. So I think what I'm gonna do tomorrow is just go to Home Goods and kind of try to figure out what's gonna look good there. I might go to Home Goods or World Market or Pier 1 or Marshalls. I don't know, we'll see what I find. Maybe Goodwill. I might actually go to Goodwill first. But yeah, so we'll figure out what's gonna go up there. I was thinking of putting these letters, the D, and then we have an ampersand and an M. So I might try to put those up there, but they might actually be too big. So I don't know yet. And then I do have this vase. I don't know if it's gonna go yet with the color theme. I don't know what colors I'm doing down here. But once I figure that out, I can kind of see if that's gonna fit or not. So it's been about an hour. I finally finished fixing everything up, at least what I have now. I don't even know if I like it. Like I know, like I said, I still need to go buy some more stuff. But for now, I mean, it looks decent. So I'll give you guys a little tour, and then I might be vlogging tomorrow when I am shopping for stuff, or I might just do like a small haul after. We'll see. But yeah, that's about it. And like, keep in mind the downstairs still doesn't look perfect. I still have a lot going on down here. Like for instance, all of those boxes is stuff that we're getting rid of. And then that little pile is stuff I just don't know where it's going. Also that sign. And then just the recycling boxes. Like this is literally all the stuff we have to recycle. It's crazy. But the bookshelf is coming along. I put that little basket there. It's probably gonna stay there. I just have some random stuff in it right now, but I wanna put some blankets in there eventually, some pillows, and then add some more stuff, move this around and kind of figure out how I want it to look. That little vase isn't gonna stay there. One of our neighbors, our new neighbors, got it for us as a housewarming gift. So I just don't know where to put it for now. So that's where it's going. And here is the kitchen. So I did end up putting these two jar vase things up there, and I don't know if I'm gonna leave it up there or move it. I guess we'll kind of see what I do find tomorrow at the store. This is probably my favorite little nook of the kitchen, and I still want to add something else to this tray, but it says, where can I get a pair of skinny jeans? Get it. And then here is our counter. And I just have one bar stool. I do want to buy a few other ones, but we bought that one the week we literally didn't have anything. So all the dishes are clean, just waiting for these two to dry since they're like nearly impossible to hand dry. And then here's our little coffee beverage tea nook. And then here we have our kitchen table and then Jabari. So yeah, that's how it's coming along right now. We have our couch right here, our TV stand and TV right there, but we're gonna buy a new couch eventually, like soon, and then figure out what else to do with the rest of this space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos kind of like this one. I really enjoy filming these and just decorating my house and getting everything like to feel like home. As always, if you guys do have any prayer requests, please go ahead and just leave them down in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll put it in the description box as well, but just feel free to reach out to me. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and just go ahead and subscribe to me so you can stay tuned with my house journey and see what else I do to this awesome space that we have now. Bye guys, have a great night or day or morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Bye.